Hi, this is Dan Gookin, and this is video 643, where I show you how to actually clean inside of a console. I'm assuming that you had to venture inside the console for some reason. There's really no reason to open up a console just to clean it. It's not something you want to do. But if you're going to be in the console anyway to maybe add some memory or a hard drive or fix up some of the other doodads in there, you might want to consider, you might look around and you might just say, gee whiz, it's all dusty and everything in there. Well, there's several different ways you can go about doing a little quick spiffy up. You can always use the venerable can of air. Now, one of the problems with the can of air, the thing I don't like, is that the can of air doesn't really clean anything. It just blows it all around. And so you end up with a bunch of dust, and it's still not really as clean as it could be. So what I prefer to do, use instead of the can of air, is just one of these little portable vacuum cleaners again, with one of these little hose attachments. Now, you don't want to actually go in there and touch the stuff, but you can get close enough that you can actually suck some of the gunk away from the vents on the inside and some of the other components. So hopefully by cleaning up the stuff, the pet hair, the dust, and whatever's been accumulating in there, your computer will run a little bit happier, especially if you clean up the fan like I did and the vents. You're going to find that the air circulates a lot better, which keeps the temperature a lot cooler, which keeps Mr. PC happy. And keeping Mr. PC happy is, well, it's been the theme of my entire book.